I cut my finger.
My pet's heads are falling off!
Pets. Looking good, looking good. We got some Walden over there. We got both the fucking hot rods getting worked on tonight. See ya.
Sorry.
Yup. Don't mind if I do. Alright. So what you got going on here? Made a couple tabs. Probably rib nutted it. Yep. Looking good. What do we got going on this? Oh, you're not welding on his car? I thought you were welding on his...
You shouldn't be filming this.
Are you pissed?
No, I'm not pissed. It's not one of my prouder bills. I want these tubs done so I can go make the fucking hit on this thing.
Go get to a thick lick, dude?
Go do a thick lick.
Ah. Alright, let's bust this shit out. Alright, headed back to his shop, or his workshop. Going to try to finish up the tubs. Maybe go make a couple first test hits ever for this thing. Hey, your door's open, bro. If you look closely, you'll see how hard the truck lean's left, because Kyle's such a fat fuck. Truck weighed, I think, like 2,100 pounds without him in it. I think it weighed 2,650 with him in it. I mean, that was with a full tank of gas too, so, you know. Alright. Pulling up to the spot. Finish this shit up. Hopefully get out in a reasonable time. You know how that works out though. Alright, we're just busting these things out real quickie like. We're just throwing these fuckers on so we can go fucking make some thick licks. Alright.
These quick disconnect bedsides, dude.
Where'd you put that nut?
You just gotta go fucking in and out, up and down.
I always go in the out, you know what I mean? Right in the hole. Oh. Oh my god, I'm in. Alright, pit stop for some food. His awesome chick is picking us up some food, bringing the old stripper glitter. Got this side done. You know.
What do you want to drink?
It's a Coke or whatever. Got this notched here for the 4-link bar, but we'll pretty it up later. Throw some Raptor liner on it or something. But we're just gonna raise up the ride height now. Sitting a little low in the back, but raise it up a little bit, and I think that might help bar angle a little bit. There's not too many adjustments on it, but I get the bedsides on it. Go grab the trailer and that old rig right there. I cut my finger.
My pet's heads are falling off!
Pets' heads are falling off!
What are we doing here?
Alright, so we're just raising this thing up. Just an inch. Sometimes an inch is all you need, you know what I mean?
Yeah, story of my life.
Story of my life, dude. Alright, we got one bed side on. Raise it up an inch. Once you jump on it a couple times and whatnot, I think it's pretty much just sits level now. But we just finished trimming that up. We got this part in. Still need some fine tuning right here, and you know, maybe one standoff to kind of brace it, but it's just a rough deal, so we can go fuck around.
This is a rough draft.
Little rough draft. My marks are right. I've been known to be, you know, a half to 3 to 4 inches off on certain things.
Yeah, this truck's, you know, perfectly built, so.
People would have seen how this truck started off and how it was being started to be built and the location. They'll be like, fuck, dude, he's come a long way.
Yeah.
Since his crooked mom's driveway or his mom's crooked driveway. Not his crooked mom.
God, you call my mom crooked, dude?
Yeah, she's getting old, dude. Made it where this thing slides in real nice. Quick disconnect, if you will, for on the track adjustments. And for grudge race fucking weight, you know, he can drop the bed sides. You know how half these guys are running around with no fucking front end? Well,
I just dropped
once you get a glass front end,
yeah.
you know how the dudes roll around with a fucking no front clip and shit? You could pull your whole rear and your front, dude. This thing will just be a cab.
Oh, you want to go race weight?
You want to go race weight, huh? All right. You start taking off. You cut the fucking roof off. You have the roof zooped on. Just got a windshield and a fucking
a full weight set.
Yeah,
just right on the axle.
Oh, dude. Laying some thickums. Huh? Now you brought us some food. Boom, boom. MVP right here. How'd that one feel? You
Rough, dude.
proud of that?
No.
Okay.
I'm not proud of anything that's going here.
Can you open the door?
No.
Pull. You want to pull forward a little bit?
I need to?
You don't need to, but you can, because
I can NASCAR it.
the door might. I don't think it will. Dang, here it goes, guys. Look at this. You've seen it. Live action right here.
Live action. NASCAR, dude. NASCAR truck.
You're such a race car driver, dude.
I know.
All right. She is on the trailer. That went one stab. That was surprisingly smooth.